All right, first thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and review Miss Molly position. Say good morning, Miss Molly.
Good morning, Miss Molly.
How are her legs? Crisscross applesauce. Her spoons are in her. Hands are in her lap. All right, eyes looking.
Eyes looking.
Mouth quiet.
Mouth quiet.
Body still.
Body still.
Brain learning.
Brain learning.
Ears listening.
Ears listening.
Hands quiet.
Hands quiet.
All right, let's get started. Ready? Fourth leg. Fourth leg. Fourth leg. Fourth leg. Fourth leg. All right, point your fingers up. Ready? Fluency.
Fluency.
All right, here we go. Ready? I like
Like
cheese
cheese
and pretzels.
pretzels.
How many of you like cheese and pretzels? No? Some of you? Yeah. No?
like pretzels.
All right. One more time. Let's read it. We're going to read it all together. Ready? I like cheese and pretzels. Good. Yeah, I'm ready. Ready to do it all by yourself?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to listen. Ready?
I like cheese and pretzels.
Nice job. All right, I want you to go ahead and look at that dot at the end of my sentence here. The dot at the end of my sentence. Think about that. That word starts with a p. What is that punctuation mark? I'm going to pick a stick, okay? Oh, the guy's not here. All right, Nora. What is it? A period. Nice job. What is it, boys and girls?
A period.
A period. Starlise, what is it?
A period.
A period. It tells us two things. It tells us one thing to do. What does it tell us to do, Ebenezer? The period tells us to
Stop.
stop. It tells us to stop and take a quick breath before we move on. It also tells us about our sentence. Maxton, do you remember what it tells us about our sentence? Or would you like a clue first? Oh my goodness, give me a high five. Kiss your brain, that was absolutely amazing. He was correct. That is a telling sentence. What is it, boys and girls? Oh my goodness, Maxton, that makes me so proud of you. All right, point your fingers up. We're going to start over here on the right side, what am I talking about?
Right.
Go from left to right. How do we go?
Left to right.
Okay, ready? I like cheese
cheese
and pretzels. Your turn to read it. Go. Good job. All right. This word, is this an emergency, buddy? Is this an emergency? No, I know. It'll be okay. We'll fix it before we go. Boys and girls, point to the word I. Point to it. Put your eyes on it. This word is the first word of the sentence. What is it? The first word is where I start my sentence. If I keep reading, I like cheese and pretzels. This word, say pretzels. Pretzels is the last word of my sentence. What is it? The last word is at the end. So the first word is at the start. If I'm running a race, I'm going to start at the start line, and I'm going to go all the way until I get to the finish line, right? To the end of that race to see if I won. All right. Recognize and produce rhyming words. All right. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Sound the same at the end. All right. Are we ready, Callie? Are you ready? No? What happened? Oh, go grab a Kleenex for it, okay? All right, are we ready for our first word? I'm not a very good artist, so I didn't draw a picture, but our first word is swim. Say swim. All right, ready? Let's figure out what is the ending sound in swim. Ready? Swa. Im. Do it again. Ready? Swa. Im. What's my ending sound? Im. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Swim. Our other word is him. Say him. Ready? Im. Do it again. Ready? Im. Ooh, what's the ending sound in him? Im. Ready? Swim. Him. Swim. Him. Think about that. Do those sound the same? Do they have the same ending sound. Ooh, I'm gonna see. Don't say it. I'm gonna pull a stick. Let's see if this friend can tell me whether or not those words rhyme. Carter, what do you think? Do you think those words rhyme? Swim, him. They have the same ending sounds on those. So do they rhyme? Yeah, do they rhyme, boys and girls?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Good job. Say swim,
Swim.
him. Say, yep, those rhyme.
Yep, that's right.
All right, name letters
Name letters
of the alphabet.
of the alphabet.
And
And
demonstrate
demonstrate
understanding
understanding
of letter sounds. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go through our letter cards, okay? I got to mix them up so we know them out of order. Miss Starlise, can you sit crisscross applesauce, please? Carter, you're not in the, go grab a Kleenex. There's some on your pants. Thank you. All right, we're going to echo it. You, or me? Me?
you.
Good. All right, here we go. L,
L,
M,
M,
I,
I,
A,
A,
G,
G,
H,
H,
D.
D,
I almost said D. It did not be. Say D,
D,
J,
J,
E,
C,
B,
B,
F,
F,
K,
K,
L.
L.
Nice job. All right, point your fingers up. Let's read our line of letters. We're going to echo our line first, and then we're going to do it together. Okay, ready? Ready, Ebenezer? All right, ready? F.
F,
Darwin, eyes up here. Ready? F,
F,
D,
D,
C,
C,
A,
A,
G,
G,
B,
B,
E,
E,
H.
H.
Are you ready to do it with me? Do it with me first. Ready? F,
F,
D, C, A, G, B, E, H. Good. Do you want to try it all by yourself?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
F, D, C, A, G,
B, say B. Good, nice job. Put together and take apart word parts. Remember, we're going to take two words and we're going to smoosh them together to make a new word. Are you ready? Are you ready, Carter? Get your hands ready. Here we go. First word, tree,
Tree,
house.
house.
Tree, house, tree, house. What's my word? Treehouse. How many of you have ever seen a treehouse before? Yeah. All right. One more time. Let's do it. We're going to do it 3 times and smoosh it together. Ready? Tree, house. Tree, house, tree, house. Good. Read sight words. You know what, boys and girls? You know what I need to do? I need to get my sight word cards out at some point. That's what that's for. My sight word cards. Ready? Point your fingers up. And, the, see, like, I. All right, ready?
That's the same
Here we
thing
go.
right there.
See,
See,
like,
like,
I,
I,
the,
the,
and.
and.
I like how you thought about that, Maxine. These words from down here, our sight words, are in our sentences. That's why we learn them, so they can help us read better.
That's 1, 2.
Yep. Read
Read.
CVC words
CVC words.
and say each sound.
Say each sound.
All right, here we go. This is our letter from yesterday. I know yesterday we didn't get a whole lot of time to spend on it, but we're going to go ahead and name that letter. What letter is this? Callie, what is this letter? M. M. What is this, boys and girls?
M.
Who knows what sound M says? Good. What's my next letter, Shelby? What is this letter here? A. A. What does A say, boys and girls? Ready? Ooh, what's that last letter? Mia, what is this letter? Take a guess. What do you think it is? Close one. It's not a B, it's the other one. It doesn't have a belly, it faces the other way. Not a B, it's a He's helping you. What is it, Mia? Let Mia say it, okay? Mia, what is it? D. Good. What is it, boys and girls?
D.
What does D say, boys and girls?
D.
Duh. Duh. Say duh. All right, here we go. Ready, Nora? Carter, ready? And duh. All right, here we go. Let's stretch it and make our rubber band bounce back together. Ready? And duh. What's my word? Nope. Mad. What is that word? Mad. What's the word? Mad. Show me your mad face. Show me your happy face. Show me your mad face. Show me your happy face. Thank you. All right, count. And say syllables in words. I think these are the last couple names that if I made them correctly. Starlee, stand up. All right, say good morning, Starlee.
Good morning, Starlee.
We're so excited you're in our classroom.
We're so excited you're in our classroom.
Welcome to Liberty.
Welcome to Liberty.
All right, sit down. Remember, syllables are word.
Child.
All right, here we go. Hands together. Say Starlee.
Starlee.
Let's clap it. Ready?
Starlee.
Shelby, do it with us. Ready? Ready? Do it again.
Starlee.
You clap it. I'm gonna count it.
Starlee.
How many?
2.
All right, I think this is our last name. Ebenezer. Woo! All right, say good morning, Ebenezer.
Good morning, Ebenezer.
We are so excited you're in our classroom. Welcome to Liberty. All right, sit down. All right, Ebenezer. This one's a long one. It has lots of syllables in it. When we're done, okay? Here we go. Let's clap it. Ready? Ebenezer.
Whoa.
All right, ready? Let's do it again. Ready? Ebenezer. Okay, you do it. I'm gonna count it. Ready? Ebenezer. Wow! How many syllables are you saying? 4 syllables in his name, Ebenezer. All right. No, I don't have to make it 2.